Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to update your birthday on Snapchat. Whether you made a mistake when setting it up, or just need to make a change, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's dive in. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to update the birthday information. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your profile page. Next, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your profile page and tap on it. This will open your settings menu, where you can manage various aspects of your account. Scroll down until you see the My Account section. Under this section, find and tap on Birthday. Here, you'll see the current birthday associated with your account. To make changes, simply tap on the displayed date. A calendar will appear, allowing you to adjust the month, day, and year as needed. Once you've selected the correct date, tap Continue to confirm your changes. Finally, a confirmation message will pop up. Double-check that everything is accurate and then tap OK. Your new birthday is now saved to your Snapchat profile. A quick note: Snapchat limits how often you can change your birthday for security reasons. Be sure to pick the correct date before confirming to avoid any issues later. And that's it. You've successfully updated your birthday on Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching.